In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 6, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. You need to begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS. From Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Now you need to select Get Started, tap on I agree and choose Continue twice. Following that, tap on While using and Allow in all available pop-ups. Select which wallpaper you want to use and hit Finish. Then close an ad, tap on Set as Default and apply your launcher by clicking on it here. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going back to the same launcher app, tapping on Set as Default and choosing your default launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!